Hey guys, in the last video, we've created a REST API service that will perform HTTP GET and POST calls. In this video, we're going to create a data service to share data between components, as well as a message component that is used to display success and error messages. Let's start by opening up a PowerShell window, quitting the app, typing in ng generate service data, and then ng generate component message. Now let's run ng serve. Now let's open up our text editor and open up app module. Here, we've imported the data service and declared it as a provider inside the app module. Now, let's open up the data service. Here, we've imported the navigation start and router from the Angular router package, declared the message variable, message type variable, as well as the user variable. Inside the constructor, we've instantiated the Angular router, and then we've subscribed to the router events. Every time there's a new router event, the callback event over here will be triggered. In this if statement, we'll clear a message variable at the start of a route change. The error function displays an error message. The success function displays a success message. And the warning function displays a warning message. Now, let's open up message component.html. Here, we've created a message dialog that will only show if data message is not empty. The message type will be the same as data.message_type, and this will be a dismissible false, and the data message will be displayed inside here. Now, let's open up message component, import the data service, and then declaring it inside the constructor. In this video, we've set up the data service as well as the message component. In the next section, we'll be setting up authentication on the server side.